Alright, now that we've got our project completely finished, now again this is just 4 shots and you'll have all 19 of yours, but I've got it dipped to black at the beginning, I've got titles on all of my clips, and I've got transitions between each clip, and a dip to black at the end. So now that it's completely finished, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to export it so that we can share it online. So I'm going to click on my program monitor up here. This is the video that I want to export. This is what's showing in my timeline. So I'll click my program monitor. I'm going to choose File, Export, Media. And in this export settings box that pops up, there's all sorts of different options for the type of file you're going to export. In this case, for this particular one, we're going to choose Windows Media. It'll create a WMV file. And don't worry about any of the other settings, just leave them as they are, except for where it says output name. You want to make sure that you're naming this last name underscore shot list, and that you're saving it into your thaw space. So you click on, I'll show you again, you click on this yellow text, and make sure you're naming it correctly, last name underscore shot list, and you're saving it in your make sure it's in your thaw space in a place where you can find it. And I've already done this for this one, so it's there, but I'll click Save, I'll replace it, and then I'll click Export. After I do that, it'll take a little bit, so it'll export that, and then when that's done, I'll show you how to upload it. Alright, so now that my Premiere project is finished exporting to a Windows Media video file, I'm going to go to my Google Drive account. So I'll log into Google Drive, and instead of clicking Create like we do when we create a new Google Doc in here, I'm going to click the Upload file here, or the Upload icon, and choose Files. Then I'm going to find that file from my in my files in my thaw space. Again, it's called last name underscore shot list. I'm going to find it. I'm going to click Open, and then it'll ask me if I want to convert it. I don't, but I'll click Start Upload, and you'll see that mine will be a little faster because my project is shorter than yours, but it'll take a little bit to upload there. And once you upload it, just like when you create a document, the first thing you want to do is share it. So I'm going to click Share. And instead of setting it to private, you want at least me to be able to see this, but you're going to set it with anyone with the link, and then click Save. And then you've got the URL of that file there. Now you'll notice when I click on this, as you see it here at the top of my list here, when I click on it, it'll say, oh, actually it's already done processing. It might say, it might have a it might say video is still processing, and you just wait a few minutes and it'll be available. Now I'm going to show you how to embed it into your blog. So I'm going to go to any Google site here and click on Sites, and this will take you to your Google portfolio link, and yours will just be your first name, last name. Alright, so here I am on my blog here, and I will click on New Post, and I'll give this post a title, and it'll be called Shot List Assignment. In here I'm going to write an insightful paragraph on the process of creating this video. Now you're not actually going to write those words. I have had a student do that, but instead you're going to write an insightful paragraph. So you're going to talk about what it was like to create the video, from the production to post-production, what you learned, etc. So you're going to show me that you're reflecting on that process. Then you'll hit Enter after that, and you'll go Insert, Video, and this is a Google Docs video. So we've uploaded it to our Google Docs account, and so we'll select that there. When we do, all of our videos that we've uploaded will show up here, and they're in alphabetical order, and we know that this one is called last name underscore shot list. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to choose select there, and it'll ask me, do I want to put the title, do I want to include a border? So you can define how you want that, and I'll click save. And then when I save this blog post, that will show up there, and I'll have my insightful paragraph and I'll have my video. So that's how you'll turn in this assignment.